Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Petri dish. First, ensure your Petri dish and all instruments are completely sterile. This is crucial for accurate results. Next, prepare your agar medium carefully, following the specific recipe. A clean, disinfected workspace is also essential to prevent any unwanted microbial growth. Proper preparation sets the stage for successful experiments. Once your agar is prepared, let it cool to a temperature between 45 and 50 degrees Celsius. This prevents condensation and ensures safe handling. Carefully pour about 15 to 20 milliliters of the cooled agar into each Petri dish. Gently swirl the dish to create an even, consistent layer across the entire bottom surface. This even distribution is key for uniform growth. Now it's time to introduce your sample. Using a sterile inoculation loop or swab, carefully transfer your specimen to the agar surface. Be gentle to avoid damaging the medium. Once inoculated, securely place the lid back on the Petri dish to maintain sterility. Finally, invert the dishes and place them in an incubator at the recommended temperature for optimal growth. After incubation, observe your cultures regularly, noting any growth or changes. Try to avoid opening the Petri dishes unnecessarily to prevent introducing contaminants. Once your observations are complete, it's vital to sterilize all used Petri dishes and their contents. This ensures safe disposal and prevents the spread of microorganisms. Always prioritize safety in the lab.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.